Wondering how to apply for an EPICUR course? Let's start. First, you'll need to make sure you're eligible. You need to be enrolled in one of the 9 EPICUR universities, have completed 60 ECTS credits, have proficiency in the language of instruction. Great, now let's dive into the application platform. First, choose your home institution. Then, enter your university login and password. You're now connected. Select your program of interest and the courses or programs you want to follow from the catalogue. You're almost done. Upload the required documents, such as the proof of language proficiency, your school certificate, and your transcripts or records. The documents required may differ according to the course or program you choose. Well done! You're on your way to becoming an EPICUR student. You will be notified if you have been selected after the call closure date. If requested, you'll also receive your learning agreement.